So hello everyone, welcome to the new video of GFG problem of the day. So today is 5th of February and the question today that we have came across is a medium level question. The name of the question is intersection point in Y-shaped linked list. So the question says that given two single linked lists of size n and m, okay, write a program to get the point where two linked lists intersect each other. Okay, that's a amazing question. Linked list based. So our first input is linked list 1, that is 369, and after that common is attached to it. Linked list 2, 10, then after that common is attached to it. Okay, and common is 15, 30, and after that null. Okay, then we have output 15. We have to see. So this is my linked list 1, 3, 6, 9, 5, 15, and 30. The second linked list is 10, 15, and 30. So we have to find the common element, which is the common element out of both linked list 1 and 2. Similarly, we have the second linked list also, and we have to find the common element. Okay, so the question is pretty, looking easy only. So we have to return the data or the element that is common here. So fine. We will do this. Okay. uh, let's try to get to the point of this question. The what is this question trying to say? I will take the input. Suppose I am taking 8, 9, 10, 1 and 10, 7, and after that null. So my input format is or the function that is made has only head 1, okay, node star head 1 and head 2, right? I have only these two as my input. So I need to find out the size of head 1 first and size 2. Okay, without that how can I tell? So see, size 1, that means what? I need to find the size of this linked list. Okay, I need to find the size of this linked list. Similarly, I need to find the size of 1, 10, 7, and null. Null is not included, obviously. So I need this much, 4 size. So for that, I have to implement a loop which can do this. Okay, first I need a temporary pointer also. Temporary pointer that will be storing my head 1, and from head 1 I have to traverse, and there will be a variable, int variable, that will be counting my length of the first linked list. Suppose it's lena. So yeah, this will be storing the length of the first linked list. Similarly, I will be having the length of the second linked list. I'm not explaining this part because this will be quite easy task. Okay, so now I have my length of both the arrays linked list in lena and lena b. Now the next task will be that we need to find at which element are they separating, like which element, right? Suppose the size of the first linked list is here 4, the size of second linked list is 3, right? Right. So what is the difference? One element is common in this linked list a. Okay, so I need to reach to that common element actually. Okay, I need to reach to that common element. So what I will do, I will run a loop in this a. I will run a loop in this linked list a. How many times? One time. So that is, it will be something like this: I equal to 0, I less than my difference, this 1, and I plus plus. Okay, I need to reach to this 9 here, and in the second linked list already I am on 1. Understood? Now I will put a while loop and I will check whether which element is common. This is easy question. I don't know why they have kept in medium. So yeah, I need to implement a while loop which will check whether which element is common. Already we know here 10 is common, so it will return. Then I will return this 10. So I will take one more example: 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, and suppose null. And here I have suppose 6, 4, and 1. This is equal. Let's take a example of a equal linked list. So the size which I will get from here will be 1, 2. The size which I will get here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5, right? The size I will get here is 1, 2, 3, 4, again 5. 5. Both have the size of 5. My difference will be 0. I don't need to run anything in any loop. Okay. So now if when I don't run anything in any loop, right? If I don't run anything, my head 1 will be on 8 and head 2 will be on this 4, and whether it is, suppose it is 7. Okay, yeah. Now I will traverse the linked list and find whether which element is common by using that while loop. Quite easy question only. Let's see the code. I've already done the code. I'll just explain you. Actually, the question I misunderstood. That's why I was seeing the editor's part. Actually, they have taken the sorry. They have taken the first linked list as head one, head two, and a common. And to head one, they have attached this common, and head two also they have attached this common. This is how they have made the linked list. So suppose we have our this function we have, right, given function. So I will declare two variables which will be to zero. Then I will be like declaring a head, like there will be a pointer which will be pointing to the head of the first linked list. There will be a pointer which will be pointing to the head of the second linked list. Okay, now while my pa is null, I need to, as I told you, I need to find my length of pa and length of pb. These two while loops are doing that thing. Okay, this is the most easiest solution you can go for. Otherwise you have to use hash map and all those things. This is a naive approach and this will pass. Okay, this doesn't has any more time complexity. So I will get my length of A, I will get my length of B by doing this. Then again I will declare my PA and PB again to 0, or you can declare any two more pointers which will be pointing to head 1 and head 2. But here I will do PA and PB as again head 1 and head 2, right? Now I will find the difference between the, like, what is the difference? If it is 0, then I told you what to do, and if it is not 0, then also I told you what to do, right? So yeah, if my len is greater than len b, right, there is no condition of equal to also. Okay, so yeah, if my len like if my first length is greater than the second length, then I need to reach from that. Suppose if my a was greater, I told you that condition, right? So I told you this condition, right? That suppose my a is greater, so I need to reach to that element from where they both become common, right? The distance of both become common. See here, the distance from the common element is 1, right? And similarly here also I need to make it to 1. That's why I want to traverse my longer linked list, so that I can reach to the element which is equal from both the linked list. So yeah, that I will do. Then I will be yeah, checking. I will do this for loop, both the things are doing that thing. And at last I need to check whether pa is equal to pb or not. Yeah, wherever they become equal, this loop will break, and I will return the data whatever where it will has broken. So basically this is the naive approach, and this will pass also. This will not take much time complexity. It is taking 0.51 ms, and that's a pretty good time. So this was the solution for today's gfg problem of the day. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.